is up, YouTube? So today is gonna be a really cool video because I'm meeting up with one of my friends, 717 Famous, aka Alex. We're going all the way to Pennsylvania. This one's I think around like Hershey, Pennsylvania, I should believe. He has a Focus RS. If you guys don't remember the yellow Mustang, Chuck, go check him out. Coleman 5.0 on Instagram. He's coming to come scoop. We're all gonna go have some fun in Mexico and gonna get some hits off and check out some of the cool cars, guys. Let's go. What it is, bro. We had to have a pit stop, getting gas for the Mustang, as you can see. Oh my God, it's cold. I don't know how you guys here in PA do it. This cold's killing me right now. Like, my face kind of hurts. We're like 30 minutes out. We'll be there pretty soon. We just had to stop and get some snackage. Check this out, guys. 93 here, 331. You guys in Pennsylvania are tweaking. Somebody said help. I can't feel my body. I was too lazy to pull the seat back. So now I'm like the hunchback. Here it comes. Get in, get in. Oh yeah, like mid-range is a lot better. That's crazy. If you guys didn't know, Chuck got the new GT350, with GT350, right?
Yeah. Manifold and throttle body.
Oh, you got the throttle body too? Yeah, and actually you could feel it like around, what is that? Probably like 4,000 RPMs. It's like it starts sucking you back a little better. What's up, man?
It's forever. Nice to meet you, dude.
What's up, man? What's up?
Hey, man.
What's up, dude?
717 Famous.
So we finally got here. It's like super cold. I can't feel my body.
We're here with the swim trunks.
We're gonna do some awesome stuff. You guys can shout out your channel.
Get famous or die trying.
717 AMG. I'm 717 Famous. I saw your one video come up on the SRT blown up.
Bro.
Came up on my home.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
But which cars do you guys have?
I have a Mercedes over there.
This is nice. The interior is sexy. Dang. This is nice. And it's got the red seat belts. Is it all-wheel drive or?
It's all-wheel drive.
What's dope? Nice. What is this, like Nardo gray or?
It's stealth gray.
This thing's badass. Is it stock or?
Yeah, it's completely stock. All I did was put mud flaps on it so far. Yeah, man, just stop.
How much power do they make stock?
It looks like there's mouse shit on here.
You gotta bring the bald eagles out to get rid of the mouse shit, bro.
Yeah, I'm not down with that. That mouse is getting heated out of there today.
She's quiet.
That was Mustang.
Right. Bringing us back to the roots.
Yeah, this is the old 95. This thing's older than me by a year, so she's pretty sweet.
It's got the VTEC.
Yeah.
Dude, that's for nitrous, bro.
What's up, guys? My name's Robert Lovely. Today I'm going to show you my 92 Honda Civic with VTEC and Doge.
Smells like JDM. It has a two-stroke edition.
No, I'm just kidding. It burns a little oil, but it's all good.
It's a Honda, bro. Yeah. It's not a Honda unless it burns oil. So I guess we're heading out to one of the first spots. Probably gonna do maybe some donuts and stuff. Grab some pictures of the cars, but popping the AMG. Nice. Thing's dope.
Thanks, man.
You said it's a 14?
Yeah, it's a 14.
Fancy. This thing's look at this thing, the little shifter.
Yeah, the little shifter. Fucking nuts. First time I drove it, I had no clue what I was doing.
You're like, oh, how do you start this thing? Spinning ain't winning, bro. Ah, that backfire is nasty. Do it hit or not?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Oh shit, that thing got a little swirly.
Get some pictures though. a little two-step. Woo! It's some super sports. They're not going nowhere.
Supposed to go to the last one, but we just came up here to turn around and then saw it was snowy parking lot.
Oh yeah.
My sunglasses didn't hit anyone's car, did they?
Nah.
See them fly off?
Nah, dude, I was getting ready to hit the record button like.
Oh yeah, they just went flying. Like,
yeah.
I have them since
They're
high school. So
they're Oakleys, bro.
yeah, I have them since high school. Those are actually the cheapest pair of Oakleys, they call us. Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, let's go do it.
He needs some winter tires.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds sick. All right, it's cold. So we're grabbing some pictures right now, guys. If you want to check out the pictures, follow us on Instagram right here, A&A Photography. Also, check out all their Instagrams. I'll put them all up, Chuck's and everybody else's. You guys can follow their builds and everything. It's so cold. It's like 11 degrees or something, but it's definitely worth it, guys. This RS just looks great.
Later.
Oh, so we're back from doing all this crazy stuff, guys. We're probably gonna chill a little bit, eat some food, and then just see what else. I think we're gonna swap footage too. So if you guys want to see the different angles, go check out their channels. I'm gonna post them all right here and links in the description. All right, we're gonna go get some pizza and I don't know what's going on. Oh shoot!
This is how you save gas mileage and cross borders right here.
This car, I mean, shoot, this is a pretty big car though. E350. He's tweaking. Don't kill us, bro. Right.
I hit 112 right there on my CBR.
You guys are crazy. This guy is a madman. They didn't even flinch.
3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3.
Oh yeah.
He saw delivery.
Oh shit, thanks. Oh my. Oh, look at that. We got cups. We got sweet teas. We got all this crazy stuff. You gotta go follow them. Go check them out in the description. Watch out. Don't hit this lady. You almost hit that lady.
Have you ever seen a bench seat Mercedes, bro?
Wow, dude.
I was backed into her and almost ran into her.
Alright, guys. Drive kind of.
Thanks for visiting the 717.
Obey all traffic laws, please. Rolling 6 deep somehow.
Grab them, bro.
Hold on. Why'd you throw them?
Oh my.
You threw them?
Yes, I was just trying to.
These are polarized. They're so clear.
Got the steamy pizzas.
Yes, sir.
Well, you already know we gotta get that pizza lit. It is quiet.
It's quiet as shit. I couldn't even hear.
Right. Ooh.
If you catch me at the border,
We crushed the blinker. It's all Gucci though.
Got another one for $5. All right.
$5. Yo, I'm ready to post.
These motherfuckers are wild.
Sunday. Yeah, that was dope. I know you're cold, bro.
It's a little chilly.
All right,
Famous or die trying.
I'm probably gonna end the video here. It's so cold, guys, but comment, rate, subscribe. Check out these guys, 717 famous, get famous or die trying.
If you didn't, you're missing out.
If you guys don't, we're gonna link out with them a lot more here soon. This one out when it's super cold, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
Go ahead, dude.